Okay, so we have a question here today, and it's factorise 2x squared plus 5x plus 3. So the way to factorise this, because it's a quadratic means that there's one of these x's there with a squared symbol attached to it. So because it's a quadratic, we're going to need two sets of brackets, okay, when we factorise it. Okay, so the first thing we need to look at is this 2x squared here. So think, what two things times together to make 2x squared? Well, it can only be one option. It's going to be a 2x and an x. Okay, the next thing, so this is number one. The second thing we should look at is this thing over here, okay, the 3. So what two things timed together to make a 3? Well, because 3 is a prime number, there's only one option again, so it's going to be 1 and 3. Okay, so it's a positive 3. There's two positives in here, so that tells us that it's going to be a plus 1 and a plus 3. The thing is, in these sorts of questions, the position, so for example, if I put a 1 there and a 3 there, and if I swap those around, if I put the 3 there and then put the 1 there, that would have an impact on the expansion of that bracket, so it would actually change the result. So the position matters. Okay, so in order for us to work that out, we need to look at this thing here. So basically, if we were to put the 1 there and the 3 there, when you times these two things together, so the 1 times the x and the 2x times the 3, it would need to add up to 5x. Okay, so 1 times x is x, and then 2x times 3, that makes 6x. So that actually adds up to make 7x. Okay, so a positive x and a positive 6x makes a 7x. So that is not the right way round. The correct way round, if we just do this again, so 2x, okay, this time we're going to put a plus 3 there and a plus 1 there. Okay, so this time do 3 times x, that makes 3x, and 2x times 1, that makes 2x. Now these two things added together make the 5x we're looking for. So that's correct, and that is the answer. So the answer is 2x plus 3, x plus 1. Any questions, just drop them down below.